tataasan lang nila yung presyo ng kanilang mga in-import na goods. Katulad ng Jufran, ketchup at mga Jollibee for all I know. Kasi either Amerikano ang gagawa ng produkto, which would cost a lot. Dahil mas mataas ang cost of living nila, which requires mas mataas na sahod, o babayaran na lang nila yung 17% o yung patong na taripa sa presyo ng mga in-import nilang goods. Kung tutuusin, mas swerte pang Pilipinas dahil ganoon lang kataas. Competitive pa rin kahit paano ang ating mga produktong ine-export. Trump is alienating a lot of countries, allies mostly. He's dismantling the US unipolar world. So let's look at it in a different light. He's hard-headed and the US won't stage a revolt against Trump. This will be a tumultuous second Trump term. All we know or all we can hope for is for them to not re-elect him or his allies when given a chance. Look, mag-aantay na lang tayo ng next FDR. And siguro kung dumating na yung next FDR ng Amerika through the soul of Bernie Sanders or AOC or kung sino man, we will be in another good time. Kapag nagka-recession sa Amerika, of course, the world will suffer. Katulad ng sinasabi nila tungkol sa Imperial Manila.